Hello children, I'm Suchitra here. Welcome to our class second. Today we are going to study about transport. The lesson name is transport. Children, in this chapter we will learn about transport, means of transport, animals has means of transport in cities, transport over long distances, and how many types of transport is there. Let's see. Children, long ago people had walked to every place, whether far or near. Then they learned to ride on animals. There were no other means of transport. Some people tied pieces of logs together and made the first raft. They used a raft to travel across rivers and on the sea. Later they learned to make boats. Then the wheels was invented. Wheels were used in carts and carriages, pulled by animals, but these were slow and could not go far. Slowly, better means of transport came to be used. People could now travel to nearby or far away places comfortable and easily. Means of transport. People today travel by cars, buses, trains, cycle, aeroplanes, and ships. These are called means of transport. Different means of transport are used in different places.
We all go from one place to another by different vehicles like bicycle, bus, car, train and airplane. The movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transport. Do you know that transport is carried out through various modes such as land, water and air? The vehicles used in these modes are not same. They are different from one another. For example, airplanes fly in air. Buses, cars, bicycles and trains move on land and ships move in water. Bicycles, scooters, cars, trucks, buses and trains. Bicycles, scooters, cars, trucks and buses run on roadways. What is meant by the term roadways? A roadway is a thoroughfare route or the way between two places which typically has been improved to allow travel by some conveyance, including a horse, a cart or a motorized vehicle. The trains run on special rail tracks. These rail tracks are called the railways. So we can say that railways are the road tracks over which trains run with the help of their wheels. You have seen boats, steamers and ships. These are the means of water transport. These vehicles run through waterways. Boats run in lakes and rivers, while ships run in deep and large water bodies. Lakes, rivers and oceans are the examples of waterways. You might have seen helicopters and airplanes in the sky. These are means of air transport. These run through airways. These vehicles have wings like birds that help them to fly in air.
Animals has means of transport. In villages, Many people still travel by bullock carts and horse drawn carts called tangas. In deserts, people ride on the camel. It is called the ship of desert. Elephants are used in thick forest. In the hills, mules and ponies are used. Means of transport in cities. In the cities, we find many means of transport. People use cycle, motorcycle, car, buses, and auto rickshaw to move from one place to another. To carry goods, people use hand carts, tempo, and trucks. To travel long distances, we use bus or trains. The train runs at a great speed and can carry lot of people at a time. Heavy loads are transported in goods train. To travel by sea, we use ship. A ship can carry lot of peoples and luggages. To travel very long distances or to reach certain places faster, we go by aeroplanes. The aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Children, remember the different means of transport enable us to travel and carry goods from one place to another easily. And children, did you know we can now even go to the moon in the rocket? We also have a chance to see the moon through the rocket. Rocket is also one of the air transport. So, children, this is your chapter transport. I hope you understand the lesson. I will come up with the next video. Thank you, children.